An IQ test is designed so that the mean is 100 and the standard deviation is 14 for the population of normal adults. Find the sample size necessary to estimate the mean IQ score of statistics students such that it can be said with 90% confidence that the sample mean is within 5 IQ points of the true mean. Assume that sigma is equal to 14 and determine the required sample size using technology. The formula for calculating a sample size appropriate when estimating a mean is to multiply a z-score times a standard deviation, divide that quantity by the margin of error, and then square the whole thing. We are told in the problem that the standard deviation is 14 and that the margin of error is 5. So now we need to find the z-score. We can do that using StatCrunch. So we will press Stat, Calculators, Normal. We are told that this is to be a 90% confidence interval. So that means that 90% of the distribution would be between the interval endpoints, and 10% would be split out into two tails. So there would be 0.05 in each tail. So we are going to leave the mean at 0, the standard deviation at 1, and then change the value in this last box to 0.05. Then press Compute. And we will find that the z-value is 1.645. Substituting these values into the formula, we find a value of 21.215236. But in order that we do not compromise confidence level or precision, we always round up with sample size calculations. So the appropriate sample size would be 22.